Hey guys, this is Maria from TreeWaySocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use voice effects on Instagram Reels. Voice effects on Instagram Reels allow you to change the original video sound into the one that sounds like you just inhaled helium. Follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and press on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Click on the Reel option. Once the camera screen opens, record the video or upload it from your camera roll. Keep in mind that you can record your voice by hitting the microphone icon at the top of the screen. Then press on the music note icon and select the voice effects tab. Now choose the voice effect you like. As soon as the voice effect is selected, click anywhere on the screen. Don't forget that you can also insert stickers, draw or write something on your video if you want. When your video is ready, tap the Next button. Upload your video to Reels by hitting the Share button at the bottom of the screen. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use voice effects on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TreeWaySocial.com.